Welcome to the wonderful world of price objections. You've probably already watched my training video on ordinary objections, so this is about handling those specialised ones where the customer says to you, your price is too high. Okay, I'm going to put up on the screen two little messages for you to have a look at over here. The first one is to think about what price really is. Price is about value for money. Price is not about thinking that we're too expensive. The second thing that price is all about is understanding the benefits. Now I want you to think about the spelling of the word price. The first letter is P, which means penalty. Change the word to investment in your thinking. So when the customer says to me, your price is a bit more than what I wanted to pay, think about how do I help this customer understand the investment. Because that's how you handle price objections. It's not about penalties. Price has always been around. There's a famous little quotation written in 1833 which is all about you get what you pay for. Now you know that if you buy a car for $500 versus a car for $50,000, you get a difference in the value. One starts, one goes and the other one doesn't. So now let's show you a formula for handling price objections. So I'm going to put these up on the screen, so we'll swing the camera around to the screen and I'm going to show you 4 easy steps. Now remembering my formula for handling objections, first thing we have is we repeat the objection with a softening phrase, then we introduce a benefit, then we ask a question about the benefit. Okay, so the first thing that we can actually do is to relate to, if price is about understanding the benefits and that's the investment proposition, then the first thing we do is we use a magic calculator. Calculator up in the head. It's got 4 buttons on it. First button's an addition button, second button's a subtraction button, third button's a multiplication, and the fourth button is a division. Just park the number of buttons aside at the moment. It does not have a percentage discount. So let's look at the first button. The customer says, your price is more than what I wanted to pay. So the first button we use is the addition button, and we add up the benefits. So in the addition button, what we do is we say to the customer, well, I appreciate the investment you have to make has to be carefully considered. Included in that investment is the following benefits. Benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3, benefit 4, maybe benefit 5, benefit 6, benefit 7, benefit 8. When would you like to start enjoying those benefits, Mr. Customer? So there's the addition one. Real easy. Summarise, remind the customer of the benefits. And that generally wins them over. It's the most powerful one. Now, if it doesn't, occasionally you might get the customer says, but it's more than what I'm allowed to spend. Try the subtraction button. Now the subtraction is really all about offer to take something away, but actually don't take it away. So if the customer says, oh, it's a little bit more than what I wanted to spend, you say, well look, maybe we could take the guarantee away. Save yourself $300, but how would you feel, Mr. Customer, 11 months, 3 weeks, 4 days, and because you didn't buy the guarantee and it broke down, you had to pay our normal trade rates. You see, the secret with offering to take it away is you offer to take it away to increase the value and the understanding of the investment, but you actually don't take it away. So that's called subtracting the benefits. Okay, now we're up to point number 3. So on the screen here you'll see this multiply the long-term effects. Multiplying the long-term effects, let's say you've been in business for 10 years and you've helped 100 customers a year. So that's 100 times 10, that's 1,000 customers we've helped in business grow their business or succeed or save some costs, whatever is the main thing you've done. And we fully expect to help the next 1,000 over the next 10 years. Multiplying long-term effects is reminding people of where you've been and talking about where you're going. In my business, I've been in business for 27 years. I've helped over 225,000 people handle change in seminars and programs. I fully intend to be around for another 27 years, helping another 225,000 people. Or with this new GWizTV.com, it might go in a little bit higher in the numbers. Okay, so we got to the third task, multiplying the long-term effects. Now if that doesn't work, we're down to the last one in our bucket. It's called division. Dividing into lifetime units of cost. So you can see on the screen here, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is where you take your cost and you break it down. For example, an insurance policy of $100,000 worth of life cover is $1,000 premium. Now that might be a bit too much to pay. We divide it by 12 months, that's now $83 a month that you have to invest in. Now there's actually 30 days in every month, so if we divide the $83 by 33, we've got $2.75 a day. Now there's 24 hours in every day, so 24 hours into $2.75 is going to be something like about 12 cents an hour. Now my question to you is, how many pedestrian crossings could you walk across in 1 hour? Now all of a sudden our $1,000 premium has become 12 cents in walking across pedestrian crossings. So when you're faced with a situation of the customer says your price is $200 difference, divide it into lifetime units of cost. $200 over 5 years is $40 a year. There's 52 weeks in the year, that's roughly 80 cents a week. There's 7 days in a week, that's about 10 cents every day. There's 24 hours in each day. See what I'm getting at? Now, if you get down to the bottom, you've tried addition, you've tried subtraction, you've tried multiplication, you've tried division, and you can't get them to make a decision, walk away. You do not want this business. Profitable business that is related to investment and understanding the benefits stays. So what then is a price objection? The most fascinating tool you can have, because price objections are about, let's use our skills. I love price objections because the customer is talking to me about the investment they're going to make. I'd rather talk to them about investments than talk about discounts. So focus. With price objections, it's about understanding the value of the benefits and understanding the investment you want the customer to make. So write down the word investment, write down addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and write down value for money. Don't be frightened of price objections. Don't be scared of price objections. The customer's got nothing else to talk to you about. Now you can help them understand the investment. You see, price objections really